assignment because it seems this was before our cohort came into being. So we are looking at the reports that were prepared prior to our commencement of work. And of course, the reports we'll start with will be the one coming from FDH Bank. I'm sure this report has been submitted to the committee. It is the one that is written Amaryllis Hotel Business Evaluation. You will also note that the interest of the fund was not to buy a building. It was to acquire a hotel which included the business of the hotel and the structure.
Mulanje Southeast, what is out of order?
Chairperson, for the sake of your honorable committee, that they follow the presentation, would the controlling officer have somebody to transition the presentation so that we follow what he is talking about? Thank you, Chairperson.
Controlling officer?
Honorable Chair, I did indicate that I've got notes which I've prepared, which are not part of the presentation, and I'll revert to the presentation when I have to now go through it. So that's why I'm comfortable at the slide where we are, and when I have to speak to the slide, I'll do that before we transition to the next slide. But as of now, I'm actually speaking to the notes which we have, and a final report to the committee is going to be prepared, which is going to be an integrated report regarding our presentation. Thank you, Chair.
You may proceed.